So yeah, I'm finna show y'all what this Tazer do. I'm gonna hook it up and pretty much set this camera down so y'all can see me do a line lock burnout right here. Got my mom over there. I know she gonna probably flip out, so I'm just gonna do a little something, just to see.
Somewhere to do it.
Shit, let go.
You want to do it somewhere?
Yeah.
Come on.
So you can ride, you can drive.
Wait, how you gonna do it when RT's one of them?
That's what it is.
Oh.
Yes, sir. So now I got him involved. So this video might go up. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It might go up. So I just did a little review for y'all of the RT, but that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to get little bro involved so he can go on and either hold the camera and let him cut up, or I hold the camera and let him cut up. But either way, y'all finna see this thing slide though, man. I've been waiting to get this one little piece. If y'all go on my old video that when I bought the 72, my brother, he actually has a white one. So we got this one in the all white one. I gave this to him when after I had it for a while and I seen what it was doing. But right when I started recording, I gave this to him. So I ain't had this in my car in like so long, due to the fact that I be renting out my vehicles, and I would never rent nobody my car with this in there, cause man, I ain't gonna lie, they gonna probably hurt themselves trying to drive with this in there, doing burnouts, all this stuff, stupid stuff. But now I got it back, so now I can have some fun for my content, and you know, I can show y'all pretty much why I love driving this car. And if you got an RT, I know you love driving yours, so I'm waiting on bro to come back out. He's safe and take me somewhere where we can cut up, hopefully not go to jail, because Lord knows we don't need that, but I'm gonna make sure we be responsible about it. How I'm gonna do a review of this Cadillac? The doors ain't even open. We finna go now? Oh, the doors is open. We got the CTS. The dash in this thing is nasty. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker is glossy.
Oh, you got yours off Carvana.
Yeah.
Damn, I might as well do it then, bro.
Go Carvana?
Yeah.
Bro, you might as well just get this, bro. Bro, just get this, bro. But I ain't gonna lie. Carvana be taxing, bro. I spent like $7,500 just on my down payment. I ain't gonna lie. Only way, I take that back. The only way you can get a good car from Carvana if you go in there with like good credit. Like I'm talking about like 650 or better. Yeah, that's like good credit. That's fine. Oh, you good then? Cause you might probably have to put them down maybe for like a scat. A scat you might have to put them maybe like 1,200. 1,200 down. You can get in there, but your payment gonna be a little high, like a 6. You put down like a four piece, your payment could be like maybe like 350. Maybe 4, for sure. Cause my payment on it ain't nothing but like 4 and some change.
You're not getting no 350.
What you mean? I'm talking about payment. Bro, Carvana, you can work your own payment. That's one thing I like about Carvana, bro. You can work your own payment. If you got good credit, you put down 4,000, boy, stop. Your payment can be like 3 something, bro. Man, bro, I'm telling you, bro. Majority of the folks who getting them cars, bro, they don't have good credit, bro. They just having the money, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know. She fake planting.
She just said she don't know what she's doing.
Exactly. I can see her now, retired, don't know what she doing, just out here digging dirt. Hey, bro. Another thing, I'm finna start dropping a link to my mom's store. She got a Amazon store, so I'm gonna drop the link to her store in future videos. So y'all go. Everybody buy from Amazon, so I ain't even gotta tell y'all to do that. Y'all, that's something y'all gonna do anyway.
I think I know it, man. Hold on.
But it's the spot. If you don't know no spot, I know it's the spot. It's just a little ride though. It's like down 92. It's like a little circle.
No, I know some of it. I'm trying to think. It's a lot of things.
See, I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna go in the one over there, but it's a house right there, so I was like, nah, I don't wanna cut up too much right there. But it's only one house.
I'm trying to think.
You know what I'm talking about? The one in the front.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. Do you want like a parking lot?
Somewhere where it ain't gonna, where if we cut up, ain't nobody gonna call the police.
Like it's a parking lot.
Yeah, slick. Nah, bro, I don't need that, bro. I just let him quit today, bro. He's like, yeah, I just went to quit, bro. But when you a bond, they gonna take you to jail, man. They gonna be like, oh, you just don't quit. You just don't know when to quit. Like, man, I'm just trying to get my content, bro. Fall back, bro.
You ain't record that car?
Nah, I ain't pulled that yet. I ain't been recording that long, bro.
Some of them folks be cool, bro. You just, bro, pull the content card, bro. Some of them.
You hear this man telling me to tell them?
Bro, somebody has to ask me what's your YouTube for, bro. I'm not gonna care.
Facts.
Bro, they asked me what's your YouTube, bro. And I was like,
Say no more.
I was like, let's just record a video right now.
Say no more. I'm gonna chime out. What y'all think about this RT though, man? Like I said, I like it, but you know, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it. You found a spot yet?
Hold on.
I'm waiting on you, bro. That's one thing I do like too, though. When you hit the button, it just pop up. Like you got some suicide doors or something. I don't know why I got them jumper cables in there. I never probably used them. That's why I got that tag on them. I ain't never had no problem starting my car. So I'm trying to get little bro to take me somewhere real quick where we can cut up. And you know, I can just do the little line lock thing real quick. Let me see. I'm gonna plug this in. When you plug it in, the light supposed to come on. So the light on, as you can see. And then you hold on. I gotta sit y'all down real quick. Just to make sure I'm doing this right. Hold on. I was trying to see something.
What the fuck? Yeah, trying to take off. Come on.
I thought you were gonna drive to the spot.
The key just go. Oh, my key just go. There's no. Oh, it's right. Where is it? Uh-oh. Where's the one that you was talking about?
On 92. It's up there by. It's like a little neighborhood. I'm trying to make sure I can still do it though. I don't forget how to do it. Hold on. What is it? Oh yeah.
Don't do it here. You're going to lose, bro. Don't do it here. You're going to lose. Don't do it here. You're going to lose.
Hey,
Don't do it here.
so I just figured it out. It took me a little minute if y'all see me just fumbling and bumming, but yeah, we got it back. Got it back right. So, I'm gonna cut y'all on when we get to where we going. Yeah. I ain't got time to be holding this camera.